Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing the updater process, open services, MSC as administrator and find Windows Update, also labeled WUSERV. Right-click, select Stop, then open Properties and change Startup Type to Disabled. This prevents automatic restarts. Once done, make sure the service state reads Stopped. You do this first because Services controls the core update engine. Disabling it removes most automatic downloads and installations immediately and prepares the system for the next persistent blocks. Once Services is disabled, strengthen the block using Group Policy. Run gpedit. MSC and go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Edit Configure Automatic Updates. Enable it and choose Option 2 to require your manual download and install. Then disable policies that allow immediate installation or forced restarts. You do this because Group Policy enforces settings even if a service temporarily restarts. Make sure to apply and force an update of policy using gpupdate/force so changes take effect now. Finish by adding defensive layers. Mark your network as metered to stop data-driven downloads, and if updates persist, take ownership and deny write permissions to C. /Windows/software distribution or rename Wuang. DLL as a final step. You should avoid deleting system files, instead restrict access so Windows cannot resume updating. If updates still reappear, check Task Scheduler for update tasks and remove or disable them. One troubleshooting tip. If Windows reverts settings, run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.